Hi, good day. I have here a Dell laptop with the model Inspiron 147472. The problem of this was the battery is swelling, and that's very dangerous. It can cause more damage to the laptop, especially to its motherboard. There are many factors why the battery is swelling, like overcharging, overuse of device, and high temperature. A swollen battery can explode and catch fire, so it is very dangerous to deal with a swollen battery. As a swollen battery results from destructive chemical reactions in the battery, it can lead to hazardous consequences. I already removed the battery inside for safety while we purchase new one. Let's try to turn on the laptop. The battery is very low, so I plug with the charger. It will take time before it's fully charged, but let's check if the battery level goes up. Alright, the battery is now charging, and after 1 hour the battery was fully charged. Sorry, I forgot to record, but the battery is good for now. If you have same model of this laptop, you can buy from this store. JB Computers and CCTV Installation Services, a local store from Philippines. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.